This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Wilmer Police Department. The Wilmer Police Department in Dallas County is searching for Jaislyn Mendez, a Hispanic girl, 9 years old, 4 feet tall, weighing 100 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The Wilmer Police Department is also looking for Gioni Mendez, a Hispanic boy, 5 years old, 3 feet tall, weighing 60 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes, wearing unknown clothing. Police are also looking for 26-year-old Jacqueline Hernandez, a Hispanic woman, 5 foot 4 inches tall, weighing 193 pounds with brown hair, brown eyes, wearing unknown clothing in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a gray 2013 Dodge Challenger with a chrome gas cover bearing Texas license plate number TGF 1548. That's a gray 2013 Dodge Challenger, license plate TGF 1548. The suspect was last seen in Wilmer, Texas. Anyone with information on this alert is asked to contact the Wilmer Police Department or call 911.